Hey guys, so I'm actually in the old apartment here. I am going to do my final walkthrough, but while I'm looking at it, and I'm thinking to myself, we cleaned this place like spot on. So I don't see why not we won't be able to get our deposit back. And I feel like if they do charge us, it would be like a big scam. You know what I mean? Because look, let me show you the place. Like, it's pretty clean. I painted like this stuff here, obviously because there was some like scuffs and stuff, but overall like the place is brand new pretty much. We cleaned it, we vacuumed it, we mopped it, we did everything. Like the fridge is clean. Let me see. Fridge is like super clean. There is no power obviously, but obviously the oven is clean. We did the carpet. I painted some of the scuffs and stuff. The closet is good. The bathroom is amazing. Took me and Richard a minute to clean that bathtub. But I mean, it's pretty much brand new. So I don't see why not. So fingers crossed that everything goes well. Hey guys, so I just came back from touring the Ayura again. This is good. That video is going to be an updated version, you guys, because when I last went there, they were just finishing up like the pool area. I didn't see the rooftop area as well. And also the penthouse. You guys, that penthouse was insane. So beautiful. The finishes were just like creme de la creme. So I'm excited to be doing like the update version of this apartment here in Las Vegas. You guys, and it's so close to the strip. So close. Richard was with me this time, so he kind of filmed like when we were getting out of the apartment and getting into the freeway. It's actually super easy to get in and out from the freeway here in Las Vegas. So that I didn't get the last time I was there. So I'm pretty impressed to see that when we just came back from it. So that's so cool. Thank you, Ayura, if you're watching. Thank you so much for allowing me to come back and tour those amazing apartments. So thank you. We just came back from Costco. I ended up getting these guys. I love these guys. And this, we got this tiramisu. Oh my Lord. There's 2, 4, 6. How are we gonna do that? Oh yeah, 3. More like 4 and you 2. actually, yeah, this will be my side. That is your side. Then we got some bananas, avocados, mango, water, and then our ivy, which we love. Good day at Costco. Yes.
Like weird little store. I'm pretty sure
Look how cute everything is. Look at those glasses. That is so cute. My mom would love this store so much. Just keep. But I guys, the sticky bandits. Oh my, it's so cool. It's at $30. Is it $30 for the whole set? It is. Oh my god, this is so cool. I actually like that. I might get those. Ooh. Alright, let's go. Oh, you guys, we are at Target. Look at this. Look at that. Look how pretty. It's $5. I'm obsessed. Oh my goodness, so cute.
It's like a little house. Yeah, I'm guessing there's little things in there, maybe.
Yeah, inside.
Yeah.
These are so cute. We are getting some of these. They look so good. So delicious as well. Then we're going to Costco. Yay! I can't believe that was $10.
I know. Pretty good price.
I think so.
He's been playing with this.
Yeah, he has. Hey, boy. You like your new toy?
He's the best.
Hopefully this tastes exactly like the... What day is it today?
Today is the 11th, 11/11.
So today, 11/11/2024, we are finally debt-free, you guys. Debt-free. We have zero debt. Holy cow. We entered a program called National Debt Relief 5 years ago almost. And because we were like here with debt. We just had so much debt, so much like credit cards, and we were just like, we were getting left with like $50
Basically.
after we paid everything, like rent and all the bills. Like we were just basically left with $50. And today we are finally debt free. We are done with National Debt Relief. They have their fees already paid off, and we've paid off every credit card that we owned or that we owed, and we're done. This is so crazy. We don't have a car payment and we're debt free. That's insane. We should be really proud of ourselves.
We should.
Because that was, you guys, when we entered the program, we were
30.
like, I know it must have been like 28, 29.
Oh, that's right. It was like actually, it was like 27. But I think I remember seeing that.
Yeah, because I was in my 20s. And at the time we thought, no, should we do it? We shouldn't do it, this and that, because it was going to take like almost 5 years. Like that's how much they estimated that we would be done with. And like literally the time went so fast that now we're here and we're completely debt free. It feels good. It feels so good to accomplish that, because we got into debt too crazy. Like it just unraveled too fast, too crazy. So yeah, if anyone is thinking of trying to get out of debt and you just feel like you're just stuck because of this debt, I definitely recommend National Debt Relief, you guys. They helped us. They have lawyers. Richard got served twice, and when he did get served, we contact them and they took care of all of that. Like isn't that crazy how they have their own lawyers and they help with that? Remember, we got so scared.
We were terrified.
Terrified that we got, served. But yeah, with National Debt Relief, because they have like lawyers, they helped with that. We didn't even have to go to court. They settled it, and it just, peace of mind kind of thing. And yeah, so I totally recommend them. If you feel like you're just up to here with debt and you want to get out of it, they definitely do help you guys, and they really do have your back, which is crazy. But because I've heard like other stories, you know, with other companies, but I don't know, with these ones I felt like they always had our back.
We always felt like whatever came, like
yeah,
we were gonna be able to
be okay and stuff. Do you remember when they told us like you have to stop paying your credit cards, and we were like, what? And this was like during COVID, so they were like, stop paying your credit cards, like just stop making payments, just don't. And we were like,
trust the process.
Yeah, trust the process. And I was like, okay, trust the process, we will. But it was pretty cool. So huge proud moment for the Alvarados here. So yeah. All right guys, Richard got me a self-feeding slow masticating juicer. This is a dupe for the, what is it?
The Nama juice.
The Nama juice, that's like $6.99.
It's a cold press.
Yeah, cold press juicer. We got this for $109 on Amazon. So
Probably on sale.
yeah, it is. So that's pretty good. Okay. So this is the manual of that.
It's pretty well.
Oh, it is. There. Whoa. Oh, that's huge. It's heavy. Looks nice. Oh, I'm impressed. She's actually really pretty, huh? So this is what I wonder if this was knife, but I guess it's plastic so it doesn't cut the fruit. It mostly...
It's not blending it.
Pressing it, yeah. But that's why I don't think they have the blades, because I feel like the blades would cut it thinner. So, let's see. Okay guys, so it actually comes with 2 of these. And then I guess this is what you put that there. Let's make some juice. Alright guys, this is the pulp, and it actually filled up this massive canteen. So I am super impressed. I cannot believe that this was $109. It's on sale right now on Amazon. The one that it's duping, I think, what is it, Nama juicer cold press. That one is $6.99, you guys. So if you are looking for a nice juice maker, this one is the one.